This tutorial shows you how to give someone administrator permissions, which provides co-owner level access on your Discord server using your Android device. First, it's important to know that Discord doesn't have an official co-owner role. The server owner is the only person with full ownership rights. However, you can give someone administrator permissions, which gives them almost all the same powers as the owner. Open the Discord application on your Android device. Next, navigate to the server where you want to give someone co-owner access. Following that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the server. Now, tap on Settings to open Server Settings. You'll see various server management options. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Roles under User Management. You'll see a list of all existing roles in your server. Afterwards, tap on the plus icon at the top right to create a new role, or you can select an existing role like Moderator or Admin to modify it. For this tutorial, let's create a new role called Co-Owner. Type Co-Owner in the role name field. Choose a color for the role by tapping on the color selector. Pick any color you like to distinguish this role from others. Now scroll down to find the Permissions section. Look for Administrator permission in the list. Toggle on Administrator to give full permissions. This grants access to manage channels, ban members, manage roles, and almost everything except transferring ownership. Tap Save Changes at the top right corner. Your new co-owner role is now created with admin permissions. Go back to your server and find the member you want to give co-owner access to. Long press on their username in the member list. Tap on their profile to open user options. Tap on the plus icon next to roles. Select the co-owner role you just created. Tap Save or Done to apply the role. That person now has co-owner level permissions on your Discord server. They can manage almost everything except transferring server ownership. If you want to transfer full ownership to someone else instead, go back to Server Settings and tap on Overview. Scroll down and tap on Transfer Ownership. Select the member you want to make the new owner. Confirm the transfer, note that you'll lose your ownership status permanently. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you give someone co-owner role on Discord, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord management tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.